Okay, we have a review today. This was sent into the channel by this company, Jin Sheng Tong, and not a sponsor, but they send in some items to be reviewed. There'll be some more coming up in some future videos. They send in a couple of spectrum analyzers and with checking generators and stuff, so we'll take a look at those. But today we're going to be looking at this little radio. And yeah, okay. So it comes with a charging cord. It's a USB-C charging cord, so it has a rechargeable battery in it. And the model number is an HRD-700. HRD-700. Now, this little radio looks like a toy, right? It's super tiny, but it's fat. It has a rechargeable battery. I'll show you that. So nice battery, actually. One of those flat lithiums. I've had these in cameras before. And the USB charge is right here. There's a slot here for an SD card, a micro SD card. We'll talk about that later. It has a telescopic antenna that's really short. It's like 12 inches long. And it has this cool dial with a little thumb wheel here to make it go. All right. And the volume adjust looks really military. And it's recessed, so you actually have to kind of reach in there and grab it, so you're not going to knock it off of where it's set. Okay, so let's turn it on. You push this button here, and it flashes some lights at you, and it says radio. Did you hear that? Let's do it again. Radio. Okay, because there's different modes. Turn that off. Okay, so there's a lever over here that sets the mode. There's radio mode, there's Bluetooth mode, and there's media play mode. So what does that mean? So when you're in radio mode, it's what you think it is. It's just a radio. Okay, if you put it into Bluetooth mode, it's a Bluetooth receiver. You can stream to it, and it outputs the sound. Okay, so it's like a Bluetooth amplifier. And then in media play, you actually put in the media with your songs on it, and it will play those. So yeah, that's pretty strange. So funny little device. And it's all painted military fashion with a big star on the back and stuff. Looks like it's super rugged, but it's just plastic. Bluetooth music player, multi-band radio receiver. Yeah, so it is AM, FM, and shortwave. And the shortwave goes from 5.7 to 18 megahertz. So about 5.7 to 17.9 megahertz in 7 different bands. And then it has a regular FM band and an AM band. So yeah, pretty cool. So the way that you use it is you turn it on. Radio. And there's a band button. So there's a little insignia here. And this is that's FM, this is AM. And then it goes into shortwave. And then shortwave. I'm going to have a tiny little antenna. So I'll put a couple clips in along the way in this video of me kind of using the shortwave part of it. I mean, obviously it only has a 1 foot long antenna, so you can't expect much. I did attach it with an alligator clip. I just had it short, and I just put an alligator clip on it, and I sent it to my half-wave dipole. And the problem with so first of all, the FM is really nice, sounds good. The AM sounds good. The shortwave, though, the problem of it is there's a local AM station here that's a Hindi station that is so powerful it overloads the front end of the shortwave, and so only during, like at night, it's just overpowering this thing. But during the day, I was able to get WWV on it. And I could listen to 7.074 FT8 signals, I could listen to those. Of course, it's AM decoding only, so it's not going to be a lot of use for ham radio use. It is a shortwave receiver. And those extra buttons to do the play button, play, pause, forward, backwards, that kind of thing. And then the, like I said, the volume adjust. So, normally I wouldn't be too interested in a radio like this. I'd probably pass it up if I saw one. But now that I've had it on my hands, I kind of like it. It's just kind of fun. It's just a fun toy. I don't know how much it cost. I didn't look up how much it cost. Maybe I'll put that in the description, what they're currently going for. I don't imagine it's much. But yeah, it's a cute little thing. I don't know. It's cute. Yeah. All right. So do with that information what you want. But it is a radio.
I've never seen you shine. She has J.U. My song. Women's History Month. Hockey fans.